Welcome back to another episode of Name of the Game show that asks students to compete in ridiculous challenges. Today we have two new games for you guys. The first is Quiz Bowl, which is a mix-up of trivia and bowling.
Uh-oh, got a 3-point question.
What is the name of the longest river in Africa? And Me Dodgeball, which is a mix of checkers and dodgeball. We have three contestants with us, Andrew, James, and Michael. So, Andrew, would you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Well, my name's Andrew. Favorite color, purple. I'm in the engineering degree right now.
Anything you want to do with that?
More into electrical engineering. I like solar panels.
James?
What's up, everybody? I'm James Lowry. I'm actually a creative media production major with my emphasis is sports. I'm involved pretty much on campus, so like brother to brother, BSA. I'm a part of Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated, and many more.
And Michael?
My name's Michael. I'm a creative media production major as well with an emphasis in sports. I want to do sports broadcasting.
Oh, hey, our game master's with us today. Hey, how you feeling?
Good.
Good. You're about to graduate, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Nice. Well, we are rooting for you, and we'll all be there supporting you. Now let's get to our first game, Quiz Bowl. So the first game is Quiz Bowl. And the concept of the game is you have to knock down as many pins as you can, but the more pins you knock down, the more difficulty level question there is. And the difficulty of the question can help you in points. So 1 pin is 1 point, 5 pins, 5 points. You get the concept of the game? Let's get it going. Michael, if you want to start. Okay, let's see. Michael, who played the character of Forrest Gump in the 1994 movie?
That's Tom Hanks.
All right.
That's easy.
James, let's do this.
Really?
Which country is famous for the kangaroo and the koala?
Africa?
No! Australia!
Hey, it's a good try. It's a good try.
Let's go.
Oh, he got 2 points.
What is the name of the toy that is shaped like a cube and has 6 faces with different colors? No, it's a Rubik's Cube.
Darn.
Dang.
I thought you said cube for some reason.
Into the first round, score is Andrew 0, James 0, Michael 2.
We gonna get there.
Michael is up. Michael, you ready?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, got a 3-point question.
What is the name of the longest river in Africa?
The Nile.
Oh, that boy's on a roll. Boy's on a roll. Oh.
That was almost 4.
What is the tallest breed of the dog in the world?
Great Dane?
There you go.
I didn't even know that. I don't even know where
3 points. James.
Thank you.
Andrew. 2. Ooh. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Oh, Leonardo da Vinci. Round 3 of 4. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh, do you want to play?
Yes.
Looks like we have a little visitor. The game master wants to join us.
Where is he going?
What? Okay, just use the extra one.
Okay, yeah. This will work. And this is the 3rd round of 4. Michael, are you ready?
Ready.
All
No,
right.
it's not.
In what decade did World War II end?
1980.
The 60s.
No, 1940s.
I knew that. Dang.
James, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Hey, don't mess up. Don't mess up.
Please do.
I was about to say, don't knock down the fourth one.
What is the name of the largest ocean on Earth?
Largest ocean?
Time's up, right?
Atlantic? Atlantic?
No, Pacific Ocean.
Let's go.
What? It's the other what? I'm like, what?
Andrew, you ready? Yep. All righty.
There we go.
Okay, all right. In what sport do players use a racket to hit a ball back and forth over a net?
Tennis ball?
Yes. Michael. Oh, whoa. What Steven Spielberg movie is about a giant shark terrorizing people?
Oh, that's Jaws.
Fourth and final round. Michael has 7, James 3, Andrew 1. Let's do this, James.
I don't mess up. Oh, only one.
Oh,
Shut up.
what is the name of the tallest mammal?
A woolly mammoth.
A giraffe.
They're mammals too. I mean, like what? They even.
Andrew, do you believe in yourself? How badly do you want this?
I mean, pretty badly.
All right, do you think you can come back in this? All right, you give me a strike. Get a strike. Strike.
Oh man.
No.
It's okay. Thank you for playing.
Yeah, fun time.
Oh yes, most definitely. James,
Yeah, what's up, man?
how you feel? How do you feel about the first game?
I feel like I can win this next round. I just had to get a little rust off. You know, I'm not a big bowler, but you know, we're gonna get this next game. He's going down.
Michael, how do you feel about that game?
I feel great. I feel like I absolutely dominated the competition. It combined my two greatest loves of bowling and trivia, so.
Do you feel like this next game is going to be a little bit of a challenge, or you think you got it?
I think you got it in the bag.
No sweat, huh?
Doubt it.
No. Oh, you hear that? A little trash talk.
Doubt
Trash
it.
talk. What's up? Ooh. Oh, hey. Save it for the game. Save it for the game. Save it for the game, guys. Save it for the game.
Ah, young traveler, what brings you to my humble abode?
Who are you?
Young man, in your heart, you know who I am and why you are here. Tell me what it is you need.
I need to graduate. I was so close, but I walked under the arch, and now I can't graduate.
Fret not, for I know what we must do. My magic will reverse the current actions, but I require a special orb that only you have.
I only have one orb, and I need it for the winner of the games outside. I have to make more.
Do so then, and return, for I shall not move from this spot. You know, like, literally, I'm gonna be here for a while grading things anyway, so just come on back when you can.
Okay.
Since you went away, I got one foot in the grave. Somewhere between the I got one foot in the grave. Somewhere between the edge of being alive and feeling dead. Living like this makes timeless scary. Digging up bones, better left buried. Kicking them stones in love's cemetery. Love cemetery. Love cemetery.
Welcome to the last round. This is King Me Dodgeball. The opponents have 10 moves on the checkers board, and then after that, they'll play dodgeball. And how many times they hit each other, they can take their opponent's piece that many times. So if I was hit 3 times, my opponent gets to take 3 pieces from me in order for them to win, to have the most pieces on the board. You guys ready?
Wait, hey, can we do something real quick? I just want each of y'all to talk about.
I played checkers all the time in 3rd grade.
Dang. I play checkers all the time with my grandma.
Oh.
Sometimes I make my grandma cry.
Oh.
You know what? You can have the first move.
Oh, he's being nice. He's being nice.
Okay, sure.
All right, one move. All right, think real careful. Think real careful. Made a second move. Oh, Ooh.
Okay.
Third move. Oh! Watch out, James. Watch out.
Oh, he got me back. He got me back.
There you go. Tied up. Fourth move, this is fifth. Let's do it. What are y'all thinking?
I'm feeling pretty confident.
Confident?
You always feel confident. Wait till I make this move.
Oh,
Wait till I make this move.
I got 3 moves. 3 moves.
Oh. I didn't see that coming. I'll be completely honest.
I ain't letting you off that easy.
Oh.
Got lucky.
All right, we're gonna pause here. We're gonna play some dodgeball. You guys ready?
I'm ready.
All right. So, you hit each other, you take 1 piece from each other.
Got you.
You catch his ball, you catch his ball, y'all gain another piece back. Ready?
Got you.
I'm ready.
You ready?
Ready.
Let's go! All right. Red line, stay above the red line, red line. Oh! Was that clean?
I should have caught.
Oh, he got 1 back. Got 1 back.
Oh,
Free fall, free fall,
Oh,
free
no.
fall. Let's go. You guys can run across the line, run across the line. Do what you gotta do, do what you gotta do. Woo. Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh, let's go, James. Oh, 1 apiece, 1 apiece. 2.
I was trying to catch it.
No.
2 to 1, 2 to 1.
Oh, man.
Let's go. Oh, 3-1 calling, 3-1 calling. Let's go back to the checkerboard.
Man, I'm too out of shape for this.
So we're back on the checkerboard. Michael gets to take away 3. James does not get to take away any and does not gain any. Michael, take away your pieces.
Kill him in smalls.
Is this how you beat your grandma?
Oh, yeah, 100%.
James, you was first. Five more moves, 5 more moves. Woo!
King me.
Oh, he done said it, he done said it, he done said it. Real crucial, James. You gave him that one. Michael. James, last move, James. Make it count, man.
Don't have much choice.
Ooh. All right, so this is the last and final round of dodgeball. I think my man Michael is gonna beat James, but if James has that dog in him like I think he does, he gonna beat Michael. This is a free-for-all. Y'all ready?
I'm ready.
Go! Woo! 1! Let's go! Cross that line, cross the line, cross that line!
Oh.
Dang it.
Let's go, boys, let's go! Let's go, Michael. Let's go, James. Let's go, Michael. That's 1-1.
Oh, no.
2-1, James, 2-1, James. Oh, 2-2.
No.
3-2, James. All right, 5 total, that's it. 3, James, 2, Michael. You got that dog in him.
Definitely.
Good job. All right, so we back on the checkerboard. So James hit Michael 3 times. Michael hit James twice. And so James will take 3 pieces of Michael's and Michael will take 2 pieces of James. James, you want to start us out?
I'll take that. Oh,
1.
I'll take this.
2.
Oh,
Woo! And I'll take.
No.
I'll take this one.
3. Michael, you ready?
yeah, I'm good. I think I'm going with this one
All right, 1. You got 1 more?
and this one.
Woo! James, how you feeling after that? Dang, man.
Man, he got me in there.
You gotta.
I gotta work it out.
You got it. All right. James, you starting. Michael. James. James has been well.
Hey, it's a good game.
Oh!
Good game.
Well, thank y'all for playing, James. Thank you for coming.
I appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
Thank y'all for having me.
Oh yes, it was a pleasure. Michael, congratulations.
Hey.
You are the winner of Name of the Game on today's episode. How you feel?
It's an honor.
It's an honor.
I just want to shout out my grandma. She knows it's all love. Even though I beat her in checkers, it's all love.
Halt! You shall not pass. Just kidding. Come on in.
Done. What the heck are you doing?
There you go. The curse has been lifted. You shall graduate on time. Farewell, traveler. May the odds be in your favor.
Congratulations once again, Michael. Thank you for coming to the show. How'd you feel?
Yeah, it was tons of fun. It was fun beating everybody, you know.
Here's the ball.
Thank you so much for the basketball, but we actually had another one. We had a replacement. I know that you went and looked for it and everything. I'm sorry, but hey, this is our winner, Michael. He won the final show. Do you have something for him?
Yes. Freshly baked from the Orb Factory.
Ah, sick. This is awesome. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you once again for coming out.
It was an honor.
I'm your host, Justin, and this is the ending of our season. See you again next year.
Thanks for coming to my graduation.
Oh, dude, of course, wouldn't miss it. So what's next in life for you?
Well, I plan on getting a master's in game masterology.
Ooh, that sounds cool. Dude, so do you think you'll be around here next year then? Maybe help out on the show?
You bet.
Awesome. I've got so many ideas for next year. I'm thinking, look, we can have this game, right? And we can get them.